Hey guys, this is the and girls, sorry. This is the trade of the week idea. Okay, so there's a disclaimer, not going to read it, but there it is. Just make sure you know what it says. Okay, and this is not a trade signal. We have discussed this at length in the live room, and the video is just a short recap of an idea for a big opportunity that may transpire in the near future. By the way, all trade ideas are for educational purposes only. All right. So let me run over to the charts here. And our idea right now is on the pound yen. We are in this trade. Many of us entered down here. This is the second pulse of it right here. So let me go through it a little bit in detail. We've actually waited for this all last week. All right. And the reason we were willing to do that is because we have a 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, which means 5 wave. Okay. The 5th wave target is up here. So we're looking for much more than this trade of the week right here. We're looking for all this up in here, as you can see. All right. So how do we get this target? All we did was measure the 3rd wave. And when the 4th wave started, plotted that, and that's where it ends up there. All right, so you can see that. So it's a big, big opportunity. It's more than just today. All right. So I want a 240 chart. You see MACD says we're trying to go up. Okay. So let's go down to the 60-minute chart. And currently we have a little bit. Let me just scrunch this down a little. We started to have a little bit of divergence, and then we got a rollover. It's called a rollover. Instead of continuing down, it rolls over. So it's trying to point up right here. And we have a major breakout from the flag pattern that you can see in there. All right, now you can see that we got into this flag right there like that. So this target right here is very easily attainable because it's the flag target and it's also the ATR target for today. All right, so there we go. All right, so we did have a break and a hook right here. So now we're waiting for follow through to come through. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 3.5 T30. So about 115 pips to today's target. All right. But if this stalls out here and doesn't continue today, all right, all this little bit right in here from yesterday's ATR will go up above here. All right. So you can see that that would go there. So now we're looking for a target tonight, possibly up here to 141. All right. So let's go take a look and see what the charts say right now. All right. So that's the basic analysis right there. So we look at the charts, and as you can see, the oscillators are trying to go up. We were trying to go up. We're still trying to go up. We're trying to go up. We're trying to make a bounce right now after the pullback, and we're trying to go up. All right. So you can see the chart says we're trying to go up. All right. So you got to take the charts at its word. And so we're looking for this opportunity right here, at least today, and possibly all the way up to here tonight, right there. And, will it happen? I don't know. The chart says we can do it, but at any rate, whether it does or not, you never know. A lot of that will depend on the dollar index. And for those of you who might be struggling right now, let me show you why you're struggling. And it's not probably you, although it may be some parts, but you're in a symmetrical triangle here with the dollar index doing this: up, down, up, down. Right. So is it going to do that, or is it going to do that? So while it's doing this kind of stuff, the up and down stuff here, markets don't know what to do. All right. So that's pretty tough trading right in there. And the dollar, although the dollar affects the majors directly, it indirectly affects the exotics because of the effect of the base currency against the dollar. So when you're trading over here, you're probably going, man, I was doing really well 2 weeks ago, right? Well, the dollar was directionally continuing its move. You see that? All right. And then we had this up move, which was an ABC over here. Oh, I did really well. At the beginning of the month, I was just kicking it. Well, there you can see why. So, don't beat yourself up. Back off in your trading. Don't overtrade. Overtrading will kill you in this kind of a market. Cherry pick. Find the 1 or 2 real opportunities per session. Major in those. And don't forget, press your winners without exception. It's the key to being successful in the Forex. All right, everybody. Hope that helps you. We'll see you soon.